Oh. Pakita mo dito. Pakita mo dito. Yan. Camera. Yan.
Got it.
Already open. Sige. Baka mamaya ma-stone mo yung ano. Nakabukas na. Hindi siya. Ano yan? What's this? Wait, let me see. Wow. Oh my god! Wait. Let me see. Oh wow, this is nice. I like this. I like it, really. Oh wow, wait. Nice. Oh, it's a glass. Nice. I like it. Oh my gosh, I like the color. Wait, let me see.
What is this?
Bagay ba?
Okay.
Parang may ano siya. Pwede lang panglabas natin. Di ba ang ganda? Yes, ito. Ang ganda. Sira na. Ganda yun siya. Ito. Ay, kailangan to ng battery.
Or pink ka.
AAA. Wait, kuha akong battery AAA. Idandaan na. Ayan, kunin natin ito. Sige nga. Sige lang. Ayan. Dito na. Ayan, dyan na. Ayan. What's that? I think you don't need to cut it. You just have to open it, you know. Ah, yeah. Panglagay ng ano. Panglagay ng scone natin. Ang tawag ito? Ooh, I like this. What's that? I like this one. What is this? Wait. Pang ano to? Wait lang. Parang bigla. How am I gonna use this? What's this thing? Working. Should I think it like that? Or whatever. I don't know. Maybe like this. So. What's that? Wait, let me see. Wow. It's This is really a 3-in-1 15 watts folded wireless charger. Ah, it's a wireless charger, guys. It's a wireless charger, you know. Sure.
This one?
Ah, you can just like put it something like that. Where's my phone? Later. Charging for earphone. Oh, so it's a charger for earphone. And what's this? Wireless charger. How do you connect this one? Ah, there's a connector here. There's a connector. Ooh, I like it. Wait. Where am I gonna? Wait. Ah, here. Okay. You have to charge it first, I think. There. Oh, there. Dava. Ay, ito na lang. Sige, lagay mo yan. Lagay mo dyan. Ayan, lagay mo. Okay. Totoo. Dahan-dahan. Ayan. Okay na. Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah. I think it's working. I guess. I don't know. There's a light in it. Wait. Ooh, cool. Where's the thingy? Here you have to charge. See? Ta-da! I don't know. See? I guess. How am I gonna open this thing? 15 watts. How to charge? How am I gonna charge this? Ano yung yun na pala yun? How to charge this thing? Multiple wireless charging safe protection.
Hold on, working.
Okay. Yes. So that's it, guys. Ito triple battery pa to. Lalagay pa natin ng infrared forehead thermometer. This one. So we will try.
Yo, this
Which try the eyeglasses and the sunglasses. Wow, ganda! Grabe! Ganda naman! Sige na. Wait lang. Ko muna. Lagyan ko muna ng battery. Wait. Okay, taba.
Voila.
Here, open the other one.